Good morning students. I hope you all are well. So as we have completed our chapter number 2, food and nutrition. Okay. So we have already done the worksheet of this chapter also. So today we will do activity. Okay. And in activity what we have to do? To identify the following food items as bodybuilding food. Then we have to write capital B for the bodybuilding food. Energy giving food, we will write capital E for that energy giving food. And protective food for protective food we will write capital P. Okay. So here some food items are given to you and you have to use B, capital B for bodybuilding food, energy giving food, capital E, and protective food we have to use capital P for the protective food. Okay, so let's start. So first one is given meat, and we know that meat is a rich source of proteins. So this one is a bodybuilding food. Okay, so here we will write B for this first one. Next student, second is bread, and bread is a rich source of carbohydrates, and we know that carbohydrates are energy giving food, so we will write E for this second one. Next student, third is given potato, and we know that potatoes are the sources of carbohydrates, so it is a energy giving food, so we will write E for this third one. Okay, for potato. Next fourth one is the pulses, and we know that pulses are the rich source of protein, so proteins are bodybuilding food, so we will write B for this fourth, that is for pulses. Next fifth one is fruits, and we know that fruits are the rich source of vitamins and minerals, and vitamins and minerals are known as protective food. They protect us from falling sick. Okay, they make our immunity system strong, and they also help to fight against diseases. So for this fifth one, for fruits, we will write capital P, protective foods. Next, sixth one is given oil, and oil is a source of fats. Okay, and we know that fats are also energy giving food, so we will write E for this sixth, that is for oil, because fats are also energy giving food and they provide us energy for later use, and they also provide more energy than the carbohydrates. And if we talk about the fats, they also help in keeping our body warm. But if we take these food items in excess, what will happen? That will going to store in our body and increases our body weight, and thus leads to obesity, and that will affect our growth and development also. Okay student, next seventh one is given rice, and we know that rice are the sources of carbohydrates, and we know that carbohydrates are energy giving food, so we will write E for this rice. Next student, eighth one is vegetables, and vegetables are the source of vitamins and minerals, and vitamins and minerals are known as protective food. So here for this vegetables we will write capital P, because vegetables are protective food and protect us from falling sick. Next student, the ninth one is chapati, and we know that chapati is also a source of carbohydrate. It is made from wheat. Okay, so and carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. So student, for this chapati we will write E, capital E, because chapati is a source of carbohydrates and carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. So that's why we will write E for this chapati. Next, the 10th one is sugars, and student, sugar is a source of carbohydrates, and we also know that carbohydrates are known as energy giving food that provide us energy to carry out our daily activities. And we have already discussed that the person who do more physical work need more carbohydrate rich diet. So this sugar is a source of carbohydrates and hence it is a energy giving food. So we will write E for this sugars. Okay students, so these are the answers of your activity that you have to do in your notebook. So meat, it is a source of protein, so bodybuilding food. B, bread, it is a source of carbohydrates, so energy giving food. Again the third one is potato, and potato is a source of carbohydrates, so again energy giving food. Fourth one is pulses, and pulses are the source of protein, so bodybuilding food. Fifth one is the fruits, and fruits are the sources of vitamins and minerals, so protective food, capital P. Sixth one is the oil, and oil is a source of fats, and fats are also known as energy giving food, so we have written capital E for this oil. The seventh one is the rice, and rice are the source of carbohydrates, so here that's why we have written energy giving food, because carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. The eighth one is vegetables, and vegetables are the source of vitamins and minerals, so this one is protective food, we will write T. So that's why we have written P for this. The ninth one is chapati, and chapati is a source of carbohydrates, so that's why we have written E, energy giving food. And the 10th one is sugars, and sugars are also the source of carbohydrates, so that's why we have written E, energy giving food for the sugars. So student, these are the answers of your activity. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.